Hello again, YouTube. So here is the final on the GT40, the Ford GT40. Pretty happy how this turned out. I haven't actually, I just noticed that this lens fell out, so I'll have to find that and replace it. Hopefully it's not down in the carpet somewhere. Not bad for a model that was completely in pieces. I did have to kind of turn it into a curbside because all the doors were warped, the back was warped, the hood was warped. So rather than try to spend 20 hours trying to fix it, I went ahead and just glued it. So not my favorite thing to do, but it just wasn't something I really wanted to try to tackle. Really concentrating on the USAC build and the build of gentlemen's and that sort of thing. So I just kind of wanted to get this one up on a shelf. So I did build a custom wing for it, just out of some spare parts I had. Thought that turned out pretty cool. Totally made up. Just started getting parts and out of the box bin and going for it. So let's see, the exhaust on here is actually from one of my knives that broke. Right here, it's this piece that broke. The whole thing broke on one of my other ones, so I was like, oh, let's use that for exhaust. I did have the original exhaust, but I thought this one looked a little cooler because it's kind of hard to see from here, but all these go into one. So yeah, I'm pretty happy how this turned out. I wasn't crazy about the decals. They did kind of scratch when I was putting them on, which I'm not crazy about, but it does give it kind of a race look. We'll just call this year-end race car. So like I said, it's kind of just a curbside, so nothing really going on the bottom. I did add a little foil on the front I thought looked kind of cool. Just wanted to give it a little pizzazz. These are, I'm not even sure what they're from, but they were just one of my in the excuse me, in my parts bin, because I was missing all of this stuff. So I just kind of made it up as I went. So yeah, so that's that. So hope you enjoy it. I'll have some pictures here at the end. And till the next time, I will see you later. This is Jerry signing off. Thank you.